In this video, we're gonna learn in 3 minutes one of the very important concept in deep learning, which is the hyperparameters. So let's go. So the first hyperparameter is layer, which applied to a collection of nodes operating together at a specific depth within a neural network. So for layers in neural network, we have 3 levels of layers. Is the input, which has the input variable, a variable sometimes called the visible layer. And then we have the hidden layer, which is the layer between the input layer and the output layer. And we have the output layer, which is the node that has or a layer of nodes that produce the output variables. So the input, the hidden, the output. The input variables, the hidden, it's the between, and then the output variables. The second hyperparameter is dropout. So the dropout refers to ignoring some neurons and during the training phase of certain sets of neurons, which is chosen at random. These units are considered during particle forward or backward pass. So the dropout is regularization technique to avoid the overfitting. Here we can see an original network, and here we have a network with some nodes dropped out, and this is the nodes that they are like dropped out. And like I said, this technique it's to avoid overfitting. Activation function. The activation function are used to introduce non-linearity to models, which allows deep learning model to learn non-linear prediction boundaries. There is 2 types of activation function: the seg mode, which used in making binary predictions, and the softmax, which used in making multi-class predictions. Learning rates. The learning rates defines how quickly a network updates its parameters. There is 2 kind, or maybe there is 2 situation when sometimes we have low learning rates, and this is gonna slow down the learning process. And we have large learning rates, which speeds up the learning process, but may not cover all the learning process. So we're gonna miss information if we go with a larger learning rate. Number of epochs. This is the number of times the whole training data is showing to the network while training. The last hyperparameter is the batch size, which is the number of subsamples given to the network after which parameter updates happens. This is the last hyperparameters. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.